In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a 360-degree video. This type of video allows you to record a walkthrough of an interior while at the same time giving you an ability to look in all directions during the camera movement. Yeah, like in real life. The process of setting up a track for a 360-degree video is basically the same as the one for a standard video. At first, we need to set a camera path using the Movie Track tool, which can be found in Auxiliaries. Then switch over to the 3D view or the split mode to fine-tune our cameras. Once we've tuned everything up, we're ready to record the video. To do that, we should select a movie track in the inspector and click Record Video. Using the Share Export to File option, you may save the video as a file and then later upload it to YouTube or Facebook. Do not forget to set the export option to 360-degree video or stereo 3D 360-degree video before proceeding to recording. We also recommend you check the video using the preview window before exporting it to max quality. It will give you an opportunity to double-check to see that you're satisfied with the trajectory and all the views. Well, that's it for exporting 360-degree videos.